Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, November 12th, 2020. Today we have Think About It Thursday. So our quote for today is, if you don't have time to do it right, when will you have time to do it over? So many times we rush through our schoolwork or we hurry to get an assignment done and we aren't giving our best work. If you're in a hurry then and you don't do your best, then it's just going to take you longer to fix it in the long run. So do your best, do it right, so you don't have to spend the extra time to do it again. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we might be having a muffin with some string cheese, fruit, juice, and milk. For lunch, it could be Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes with gravy, greens, sweet peas, roll, fruit, juice, and milk. Tomorrow, on Friday the 13th, we are going to have for breakfast chicken patty and a biscuit, and for lunch, a deli sandwich or some shrimp poppers with french fries, broccoli, fruit juice, and milk. Today's birthdays are Morgan Stallworth, and we have a few birthdays from yesterday when we were out of school. Those are Jordan Turner, Shekinah Zachary, Lauren Lurch, and Lamarcus Hogan. Happy birthday! A couple of reminders for the teachers. After morning announcements, please place any library books that are ready to be turned in a basket outside your door. They will be picked up. It may be later in the day before I can get to these because I will be in some classrooms this morning and in PD as well. So hopefully by the end of the day I can make it around to pick those books up. We will have PD today. It's going to be held in the Media Center. We will be following the extended PE schedule today. We have a shout out today. Shout out to Ms. Barnes and her class. And when Ms. Linscomb was going around and doing her mask checks and just checking to make sure everybody was okay in the classrooms and following our procedures, Ms. Barnes and her class, they get a shout out because they were 100% masked up. So way to go, 5th grade, Ms. Barnes and your class. Awesome job, guys. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday.